now to talk to you about a very special, hard-working person. This person, for the entirety of my time as president, has always supported me and the community as much as possible. Honestly, this person's devotion is admirable. This person is extremely thorough with their work, aligned perfectly with the community. I know this person will take everything we have done these past few years to a brand new level. Ladies and gentlemen, this person will be our 2022-2023 PACOLI president. And now I present this person, my current senior vice president is going to be the new president, Azra Dhar. All Pakolians, please come on stage. Please, please. एक सेकंड एक साइड पे आऊंगा खबर भाई की तरह न्यू प्रेसिडेंट नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट आ जाओ
इतनी स्मूथली आसानी के साथ एक प्रेसिडेंट दूसरे प्रेसिडेंट को वेलकम कह रहा है, ऐसा कभी होते हुए देखा है आपने? और मैं बता दूं, we are more progressive than this American government. They still don't have a female president.
Now I would like to call Azra ji to say a few words.
Well, we do have a vice president. Put your hand together, please.
Thank you so much, Asim. I don't know if I have to laugh or cry, but it's a big surprise. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. I'm humbled by this honor of being chosen to be the president of this wonderful, wonderful organization, PACOLI. I can cry on this. I would like to thank you, founder of PACOLI, Mr. Bashir Kamal, and our president, Asim Malik, as well as the team for trusting me. I will use all my strength and energy in doing the very best I can for the PACOLI. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.